Anna Christina, sharing tools of hope with the Resilience Builders. This is 2-Minute Resilience, and this is part 4 in grounding instantly in the midst of the stress. So I wanted to bring up 2 little-known secrets to grounding instantly. We talked in the previous 2-Minute Resilience regarding grounding, and in a couple episodes regarding grounding, that we're using our senses for an instant reset. We're using our senses to trigger an anchor, to feel more peaceful, to feel some joy, to feel comfort and safety. One of the little-known secrets, or 2 little-known secrets, have to do with your nose and your mouth. What we want to do is remember a time when we smelled something that we just love. For me, it's the smell right when it first starts to rain. For me, it's the smell of baby powder or baby oil. For me, it's the smell of fresh baking bread. Oh, for me, it's the smell of pouring Pepsi. The smell, not necessarily the sound or the look. The smell of pouring Pepsi into a glass. You open the can and pour Pepsi into a glass. The smell of a home-cooked meal. So, for instance, for me, the smell of albóndigas. It's a childhood dish. It's a Mexican dish. And so we can use smell. We can also use taste. So again, for me, taste has to do with that caffeine-free Pepsi, taking that first little taste of caffeine-free Pepsi. I just love it. The taste of, again, fresh baked bread. The taste of, well, what do we love to taste? Like mostly things that we would eat, right? So think about your favorite tastes. So how we use these tools is we use our smell and we use our taste to trigger something that gave or gives great pleasure. And just to breathe that in for a moment, and believe it or not, and even though it seems kind of silly, what it does is it triggers good feelings, which means that we can step into that instant reset of the good feelings right away. It's a tool that we can use to ground smell and taste. They call it olfactory and gustatory. Smell and taste, let's just say smell and taste, to create an instant reset for your body, for your mind, and for your emotions. What you're doing is you're intentionally focusing on something to create an instant reset so you can think better, so you can think more clearly, problem solve more effectively, and in the end, up your game, raise your happy, get your life back. This is Anna Christina sharing 2-Minute Resilience. I share tools of hope with the Resilience Builders, and you are the Resilience Builder. I'll talk to you in the next video. Thanks for listening. Bye.